So how can you transfer contacts from Samsung to the iPhone? Let me show you some ways you can make that work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So you can definitely open up the Contacts application on your Samsung phone. And when you go through the Samsung Contacts app, because we might have another, you tap on more options and go to Manage Contacts. You have the ability to export your contacts like this. And when you click on export, you basically select all of them and save them in the internal file storage or whatever you decide to, and at that it's going to turn your contact into the vCard format of the file. And this can be used to be shared to other platforms and devices. So you will then have the ability to go to the files, locate that thing, and you can literally just hold down on it and share it or send it over email or however you like it to another device, right? So you might just go to the iPhone or something, and then you will just send that file over. When it comes to importing the contacts on the device, you can most definitely do it through the online platform on iCloud.com, especially if you have a computer. You can look it up on the iCloud.com, go to contacts and tap on import and select the file that we just got from our Samsung phone. But you can as well just check out the device itself, like the iPhone, and you can as well open up the App Store and try to see the ability to import the contacts, right? So there is going to be an app that can get the job done, and it will allow you to use the VCF or the vCard file format to import your contacts into the phone. So I hope it helps. I wanted to explain the way that it works. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.